this video, I'm going to be sharing 4 ways on how to have more self-confidence. Now, the first way to have more self-confidence is that we must be around people who encourage us to be the best version of ourselves. So, what happens is when we are around such people, they will push us and they will motivate us to be the best version of ourselves. Now, what do I mean by this? So, suppose we are around a friend group and all that they do is demotivate us or make us feel horrible about ourselves or pull us down. We are not going to be confident around such people, and even when we go out into the world and when we meet other people, we will still have less confidence because we are around people who bring us down. So naturally our confidence level will be low. The main key is to realize that when we are around people like this, our confidence is always going to be low. So when we want to improve our confidence or boost our self-confidence, we must be around people who encourage us, who push us, and who help us grow into better human beings or into the best version of ourselves. When we are around people who encourage us, we heal and we grow, and our life changes completely. And this is the first way to have more confidence. Now, the second way to have more self-confidence is to meditate. So when we meditate, and I have seen a big change in my confidence levels also after I started meditating, and I started meditating around 3 years ago. And what I have seen is that when we meditate, we heal certain parts of ourselves, and we in a way realize it's okay to feel emotions, it's okay for that pain to surface up, and we heal that pain and we feel it. And when we feel our pain and when we heal it, we understand that we should not identify with that pain, and we should not let that pain control us or that past experience control us. We have control over ourselves, and we know that when we heal, we will then be having new experiences which are much better than the past experiences. So when we meditate, we in a way let go of all the bad things, and when we let go of all the bad things that have happened to us, we will develop into a new version of ourselves, and we will be more confident because it's almost like we allow ourselves to feel certain emotions. Sometimes we are not confident because those emotions are trapped inside of us and we hold on to it, and the more we hold on to it, our confidence level keeps going down because it's inside us. Think of it this way: when something is trapped inside us, it is definitely going to come out in some way or the other, and it comes out generally in terms of lack of confidence. So when we meditate and let go, we will see major results, and we will have more confidence, and we will have confidence like never before, because then we will allow ourselves to be our true version and our best version. Now, the third way to have more self-confidence is to let go of all the negative beliefs and all the negative ways of thinking and minding our self-talk. So what do I mean by this? Now, when we let go of our negative ways of thinking and our critical ways of thinking about ourselves, so when we let go of that, we have more self-confidence because it influences our self-talk. So when we have negative beliefs, we generally talk down to ourselves, or we talk in a negative way about ourselves, and this has a very damaging effect. And when we switch that and let go of those negative beliefs and have positive beliefs and think of ourselves in a very positive way and start having more positive conversations with ourselves, like more of self-talk, our life changes, and this helps us to have more confidence. And this is a very good way of having more confidence, that is letting go of negative beliefs and letting go of all the critical conversations that we have with ourselves and improving our self-talk and making it more positive. Now, the fourth way to have more self-confidence is healing ourselves and facing ourselves. So most of us run away from ourselves, and I've spoken about this in my previous videos as well. Most of us run away from ourselves, and most of us do not face our fears or face what we feel. When we do not face our fears or we do not face what we feel, we have low self-confidence because it's almost like our fears are taking over the way we think. Our fears are controlling us. way of thinking is controlling us, our mindset is controlling us, and this is very damaging. So we must realize that we should face ourselves and heal what is inside of us. When we heal what's inside of us, and when we face our fears and we face our negative way of living, we heal ourselves and we have so much more confidence. Trust me, like when we look at our fears and we decide that okay, I'm not going to let that control me, or I'm not going to let that control the way I feel or the way I see my life. This is very powerful, because then we let go of all of that negative way of life. It's related to the previous point that I spoke about in this video, but all I'm saying is that we must let go of our fears and not have this fear, or that we are not worthy, or we do not fit in. And most of the times when we do not fit in as well, we have certain fears that okay, I will not be accepted. Our key is to realize is that we should accept ourselves, and we should live our best life, and we should stop expecting people to accept us. When we accept ourselves, and when we have this thing that okay, I'm confident, I do not need to be scared of what people will say, of what people will think, we actually end up having more confidence. So the best way is to face our fears and heal them, so that we are more confident in our own power, and we can understand that okay, we have certain problems and we can solve them, and we can be more confident. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys like this video. Do like, share and subscribe so everyone can get the maximum benefit out of it. And until next time, peace, much love.